Here's a nice key hanger, 3D printed on the Bambu Lab A1 Mini. Check the link in the description to download this model. This is the main part, which was printed in wood brown Polyterra PLA. It has a nice wavy pattern on the front, and it also has holes for screws if you want to hang it that way. There are also recesses for the hooks. This is a hook which was printed in black Polyterra PLA. Let's push the hooks in the main part. No glue is needed for this. It's just a very stylish key hanger. Later in the video, you will see it being placed on the wall. It's printed on an 85% scale, but this key still fits. Please subscribe if you like it, thanks. Let's place the key hanger, not with screws, but with double-sided tape. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel. See you there.